Once you're in Tenna online, to locate your maintenance requests, you go to the Maintenance Requests tab, Maintenance Requests, and then you can filter your maintenance requests by clicking the Filter button, scrolling to Assign Mechanics, type in your name, and you can also look at the tracker status. And you can click Just Pending. To save it for later, you can click Save to My Filters, type in my maintenance requests, click Save and Apply. So now every time you click on that filter, you will only see the filters that are the maintenance requests that are assigned to you and that are pending. To view your maintenance requests on the iPhone or iPad Tenna app, open up the Tenna app, locate the maintenance requests area on your dashboard, tap View All. This will view all maintenance requests that are in the system. To see only yours, tap the Filter button, tap Mechanic, Assign to Me. Tap the back button at the top, scroll down to Request Status, and you can uncheck Pending Approval, Not Started, In Progress, leaving pending. That way, when you open up your maintenance requests on your iPad or iPhone, you will only see the maintenance requests that are assigned to you and pending. You can swipe down on the filters to remove it. And as you can see, the maintenance requests that are now visible are assigned to me and are status pending. Now that you have your maintenance request filtered to where you can only see yours, there's a few steps that you will need to do to start the troubleshooting process. First is acknowledge the fact that you've seen the maintenance request, not necessarily have done anything with it, but at least you've seen it, you know it's in your queue, and you are currently working on it. So to do that, you click the checkbox next to the maintenance request, and then you click Acknowledge at the bottom. So now it indicates that at least you've seen it, the date you saw it, and that it's something that you're currently working on. A few other steps to take are you can open the maintenance request, and you can view insights and go to one possible reason. So in this case, it says that the reason that it's offline is unknown and that we can contact Tenna support for help. So to do that, just click on the screen to remove the possible reason. Go back to the maintenance request. You can click the help button here. Email. Priority is normal. And then the subject would be CBE 2140, the asset number, not reporting. How can we help? You can put per view insights. It was suggested we contact Tenna support for help. send message. So that'll send an email to Tenna support. They usually respond in a couple of hours, and they'll give you more information on what to do from there. You can hide this, but now that you've done that, you need to make some notes in the maintenance request to know so that you know what was done. First thing is you want to add a label. So click the little pencil that says update label. Click in the search label box. These are all the current statuses or status that the maintenance request would be in. Geofence issue, replace tracker. In this case, we're going to click on contacted Tenna support. Click off the box so it removes that drop-down list and click update labels. So now if you go into the view history log, you will see every label that's been added or deleted. So there's a history of what's been done and when it was deleted and things like that. Close that out. You can also make some notes. Click on the notes button, create note, and I would make a note saying emailed Tenna support for further assistance. Based on view insights. Create note and close that out. So now with this one, there's a note indicating what I've done. There's a label indicating what I've done. There's an acknowledgement saying that I've seen it, I've acknowledged it, and now I'm just waiting for Tenna to get back to me on what to do next. So you go back to your maintenance requests, you can see here that same information, acknowledged, when, and my label saying contacted Tenna support. With the Tenna Online app, you are limited in the features you can edit on your maintenance request. But if you view your maintenance request, you can acknowledge it by clicking Manage and then clicking or tapping Acknowledge. And that'll add the acknowledged by and acknowledged at. You can also add labels. And you can also add notes. And in the note, you can take a photo by clicking Add Photo. You can take a picture of the tracker. And you can create your note. So now you've acknowledged it, you've changed the label, and you've added a note with a photograph of the tracker. You cannot edit the maintenance request, and you cannot use the view insights. You'd have to use that on the Tenna Online portion. Back on the Tenna Online version, this maintenance request, if you view insights and you view the one possible reason, it says that the tracker battery is low or dead. If you look at the asset battery voltage or tracker battery voltage, it shows that it has not really had any readings since April of 2024. So for this tracker, or for this maintenance request, I edited the labels to replace tracker. I added a note: per tracker insights, the battery is dead and not registered any battery voltage. And now I'm going to edit the maintenance request so I can assign it to the shop foreman. And take my name off of it. So now once I hit update request, that maintenance request is no longer in my queue, and it is in the shop foreman's queue to look at. And it has all of my notes, all of my research, and everything that I've done for that maintenance request.